In this video, I'm taking apart this security light with a PIR movement sensor to see what's actually inside and how all the different parts connect together. I started removing the 4 screws around the front of the light. Once these were undone, I could remove the front section, including the glass, reflector and seals. With the front removed, I could get to the LED module. This is held in place by 3 screws, so I removed these and took the LED assembly out. This particular LED has 15 lights, and as you can see, it is connected to the LED driver, which is on the right hand side. The black box on the left hand side is the control for the PIR. The 4 thin wires comes directly from the PIR sensor. The wires were cut to remove the appropriate components. I will be putting all the parts at the end of this video and show you exactly where all the wires and the appropriate components go. Now I'm taking the PIR apart. And this section is the LED driver. The next part I'm going to show you is the PIR controller. And finally, this is the overall schematic that I put together on A4 paper just to show you where all the bits go. Thank you for watching, and if you got value from this video, then please share, like and subscribe. And if you want to see more of my DIY videos, then please click on my channel.